In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a pivot table in Google Sheets. Pivot tables help you quickly summarize large amount of data. You can use them to total or compare values without doing it manually. They're perfect for things like sales report, tracking items, or checking totals by category. First, highlight the data you want to analyze. Then go to the top menu, click Insert and choose Pivot Table. A new sheet will open. On the right side, you'll see the Pivot Table Editor. Now, choose what to show in rows and columns. Then add a value to summarize, like totals or counts. Your pivot table updates automatically based on what you select. And that's about it. That's how you create a pivot table in your Google Sheet. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below and I'll do my best to help you out.